On the night of 7th March 2014, Malaysia Airlines flight MH370 took off from Kuala Lumpur to Beijing. There were 239 innocent people on board who had no idea that the next few hours were going to be the last moments of their lives. This was not just a flight, but was going to become the biggest unsolved aviation mystery in history. The flight took off at 12:41 a.m. Everything seemed normal, but in a short while, Captain Zahari switched off the communication systems of the plane, transponder and ACARS one by one. It was just a matter of a few seconds, and for the outside world, MH370 had disappeared from the sky. After losing connection with the ground, Captain Zahari took a shocking 38-degree U-turn and turned the plane towards the Pacific Ocean. After this, the outflow valves of the plane were opened, due to which the oxygen level in the cabin fell dangerously. All the passengers and crew, except one person, had fainted due to hypoxia. The plane flew for several hours. Its transponder and ACARS were switched off, yet the Inmarsat satellite noted a log-on request from the plane every hour. Based on these requests, scientists drew 7 arcs in the Indian Ocean, which indicated that the flight was somewhere in these arcs. It has been more than 10 years now. Billions of dollars have been spent, but the main wreckage or black box of this giant plane has never been found. Some small pieces were recovered, but they were not enough to solve this puzzle. Was it a hijack, or a suicide mission by the pilot, or some technical fault? No one knows. MH370 is still the biggest mystery of the sky, a mystery that will probably never be solved.